Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can simply set the best setting for your HyperX Cloud Stinger 2 on FPS games. So depending on your model, basically the wired connection right here does not support the Ngenuity application, but for the wireless one, it supports the application that enables us to toggle some features on the headset itself. So if you can go ahead and access the Ngenuity. Just make sure to disable the immersive DTS sound X spatial audio. That's everything that you need to do inside the application. And then right after, you want to head over to the sound setting. So just simply search for sound setting right here. Scroll down, click on the more sound setting. Look for your headset. In my case, it's going to be this one. Right click on it, click on properties, advanced, and then you want to use the 24-bit 48000 Hz studio quality. So let's click on OK. Once again, head over to properties, navigate through spatial sound, and this one is completely optional. So you want to use the Windows headphones or surround sound right here if you want to. Click on OK, and then the only thing that you need to do for something like Valorant, you just have to lower down the announcer sound effect. Therefore, you can hear the more important ones like footsteps and gunshots. And so that's everything you need to do in order to set the best settings for the Cloud Stinger 2. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.